All right, so here's the question. So find the function in general form with a vertex at -4, -5, passing through -6, -3. And they gave us a hint, so we're going to follow the hint and start with the vertex form, the vertex formula, that is. So using that formula, we're going to replace stuff as we go. So f of x is a times x, and it's x minus, and keep in mind, this is h. H is -4, k is -5. So x minus -4. So x plus 4 squared, and then plus -5, so minus 5. So far we've just plugged in the vertex, the h and for h and k. Now they gave us 2 points, the vertex and this point here. So we're going to replace x by -6, and then y, aka f of x, we're going to replace that by -3. So let's do that. So -3 equals a times x, so -6 plus 4 squared minus 5. So let's see. So -3 equals a. In the parentheses, we should have -6 plus 4, -2. So -2 squared and minus 5. So -3 equals -2 in the parentheses squared, that's 4. So 4 times a. So keep it again, order of operations. You gotta do this first before doing -5. So 4 times a minus 5. And then this is a very straightforward one variable equation. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. When we do that, we get 2 equals 4a. Therefore, we got 1/2 for a. Because we divide both sides by 4, 2 over 4 is 1/2. So now we have our vertex formula, but that's not the final answer. That's not what they were asking us. They want the general formula. So let's write the vertex form first. So 1/2 x plus 4 squared minus 5. And to find the general form, so the general form is just, so general form, it's f of x. It's basically the expanded version of the vertex. So it's ax squared plus bx plus c. So you shouldn't have any parentheses in the general formula. So let's take the vertex form and we're going to expand it. So it's 1/2, then x plus 4 squared. If you know your properties, if it's a plus b squared, let me see if I can write on the side. A plus b squared. If you know your squares, so a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. So that's what we're going to do. You could also do FOIL, do like x plus 4 times x plus 4, but it's a little bit more time consuming, just a little bit more. So we're going to apply this property. So in this case, x is a, 4 is b. So it's x squared plus 2 times x times 4. So 2 times 4, 8 times x. And then plus b squared. 4 squared is 16. And keep in mind that's in the parentheses. And then the minus 5 is outside. So from there, we're going to distribute the 1/2 to everything in the parentheses. So we get 1/2 squared, 1/2 x squared, plus 4x, because 1/2 times 8 is 4, plus 8, minus 5. And then we get the general formula, which is going to be 1/2. So f of x in general form is 1/2 x squared plus 4x plus 3. And I will graph it for you real quick so you can see that this graph, the 2 points we were given actually are on the graph. So let's graph it real quick. So we said it was 1/2 x squared plus 4x plus 3. So let's plot the function, add to graph, and you can see, let's change that. All right, there we go. So you can see -4, -5. If you go left by 4, down by 5, look what we have, our vertex. And then do we have, is -6, -3 on the graph? So -6, you go left 6, down 3, and boom, there you go. So the 2 points we were given are actually on the graph, a vertex and point P, -6, -3. So final answer, this is your general formula. And the graph was just to show you that we got the answer correct. Thank you.